Hello, my name is Mr. Hutchins, and I am very much looking forward to teaching you business studies next year in year 13. This video is about your summer revision and project that I would like you to do before our first lesson in September. So it's my understanding, since distance learning started, that you have been studying human resource management at home. So I would just like to set some revision tasks for you to do. And at the end, task 7 will be a longer task for you to complete over the summer. There's 7 tasks. I'd like you to think about how you're going to manage this over the summer. You may want to get all the tasks out of the way at the beginning of the summer, or you may want to do one a week in order to get all the work completed in time. Okay, so let's make a start then. So I think the best place to start is to actually talk about what is the aim of the Human Resources Department? What is the aim of human resource management? And you can see there the overall aim. If I just get my highlighter and let's select yellow. So you can see there that the overall aim of human resource management is to design and implement strategies in order to maximize the performance of their employees. Okay, so human resource management is all about managing the human resource in order to try and get as much out of them as possible, so they are high performing employees. Okay, so your task 1, I'd like you to pause this video now and complete task 1. So I'd like you to answer the question, write this in your notes so we can discuss this in September. But task 1 is to answer the question, what are the benefits to the business of maximising the performance of their employees? Why is it good for the business? Why is it beneficial for the business to get as much out of their employees as possible? Why is it good that they're really efficient and effective and productive? Okay, so you can pause the video now in order to complete that task. Okay, so let's have a look at the objectives that human resource management set. So we've got the aim there, and the aim is to maximize the performance of the employees. So in order to achieve the aim, it is really important for human resource management to set objectives to help achieve the overall aim. So here are the main objectives. Now, these objectives are on the specification. So the first one is to keep employees motivated. It's all about employee engagement and involvement. How can we keep these employees or our employees motivated to want to perform at their best, to be very productive and efficient? How can HR management do that? It's also about talent development, to identify, to attract, develop and motivate and retain high-performing employees. It's also about training. We need to train employees. Businesses need to train employees in order to maximise their productivity and potential. Diversity. Now, workforce diversity means similarities and differences among employees in terms of their age, cultural background, physical attributes and disabilities, race, religion, gender and sexual orientation. So therefore, it is really important for human resource management to manage these differences to ensure that employees are happy at work in order to maximise productivity. It's really important that employees are treated fairly in order to be happy at work, in order to be productive. Alignment of values is another objective. This is about ensuring that all employees and departments within an organisation are aware of and are practising the core values of the business. So it could be one of the core values. Now, normally the core values are set by the senior management, and it's really important that everyone else in the organisation is following the core values. So it could be that senior management set a core value around being socially responsible, to make sure that they are being environmentally friendly. So in order for the business to achieve that, it is really important that all employees and all departments are being environmentally friendly as well, so that the business achieves its core value. And the final objective of the Human Resource Department is about having the right number of people with the right skills in the right location in order to achieve the overall aim of profit maximisation. Okay, so a good example of this would be at the Downs School. So the Downs School will ask all their Year 9 students which options they would like to do for Year 10 and 11 for GCSE. So if 60 students decided to do economics, then the Downs School would then think and consider about employing more economics teachers in order to meet the demand from the students. So it's about having the right number of people with the right skills in the right location.